Welcome to YOUCANIC. So now here in YOUCANIC, we're going to put a window regulator back in our vehicle on our 2019 Nissan Sentra. So say you've either replaced the motor if you decided to go that route, or the whole unit. You will just slide it up in here. Now it's all in the cavity of the door. Line up that bolt here, gives you the guide bolt, and then you'll just rotate it until you can line up the bolt up here. And we've got 4 to put in. And then just tighten up all the 5 bolts. And then make sure you attach the electrical connector. And so that's how you reinstall your window regulator, front window regulator on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.